If your child will be wearing uniforms or shoes from the last school year, check if they can still fit. You don't want to be caught off guard finding out they're too small the day before school reopens. Next, check their immunization card to ensure your child is up to date with the required shots. If not, now is a good time to get this done. As you continue your preparation, take an inventory of school books and supplies you have at home and remove those from your current list. Book drives are common at this time, so remember to check with neighbors, friends, the school, church, or other sources for books that are on your list. To avoid being overwhelmed, do your shopping in two parts. Uniforms, shoes, and any other clothing items could be done one day, while books and other stationery supplies could be done another. If you are reusing school or lunch bags, wash them ahead of time and ensure the zippers are working. Now is also a good time to start adjusting bedtimes to get your child back into a routine. And don't leave all the book wrapping and labeling of personal items for last. Once you have these items, start right away and spread it out over a few days. Review safety measures if your child takes public transportation. And if they're going to a new school on a new route, take them at least 2 times before school starts to get them familiar with the buses to take. You should also consider scheduling hair grooming appointments to avoid the last-minute rush. These are just a few tips to get your back-to-school checklist started.